Hi, welcome to the Wooden Spoon powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Hing. This is Chef Nupur Varma. Today we're doing a Tzatziki recipe. Tzatziki is a Mediterranean dip. It's very cooling, very refreshing, so I hope you enjoy this dip. In a bowl, I'm going to mix in my cream cheese and hung curd. I'm going to blend this with my hand blender to ensure it's mixed well. Into this, I'm going to add grated cucumber, some lemon juice, dill, and some garlic paste. I'm going to give this a quick blend. And now our tzatziki is ready to serve. So our tzatziki is ready. You can eat this as a dip with wafers, pita chips, any kind of crackers, or even put it on your toast and have it as a breakfast. Hope you enjoy the recipe.